Okay. Now we are dealing on this word Concord. In our previous class, we actually talked about this subject, which is called Concord. And if you can remember, I said this aspect of this Concord actually deals with agreements. This Concord deals with agreements, right? And this Concord that I've said, I thought about agreement. I said something that this agreement is not the agreement between a man and a woman, no agreement between other things. Say this kind of Concord deals with agreement between what again?
Subject.
Thank you. Subject and verbs. And if you can remember, I also said something that whenever you talk about this agreement between subject and verb, meaning that there must be something wrong with subject and there must be something wrong with verb. That is why they said, based on the fact that there's something wrong with subject, something wrong with verb, there must be what they call agreement. The two of them must come to compromise. Do you understand? If possibly there is nothing with subject, there's nothing with verb, I believe there is nothing that we would have never have something like this word agreement. Because opposite of agreement is what? My father.
Disagreement. Okay, sorry.
Opposite of agreement is disagreement, right? So mean that there's already disagreement between subjects and verbs. That is why they now come with this knowledge of let us make this thing clear to everyone, which is let's form the solution of the disagreement, which is now going to be agreement. How to get it now? Now going to be agreement, which is agreement between subject and the verb. So what Concord ever talks about is what? Agreement between the subject and the verb. So I told you guys in our previous class that Concord actually has up to 34 rules. I want to get down up to 34 rules, and these rules, I said I'm not just give you rule 1. Concord, the rules of Concord say that when the subject is singular, it's a singular verb. Rule 2 says, I said I'm not going to give you that. I'm going to give you the rules of Concord based on the types of Concord. Do you understand? And as I said, whenever I talk about agreement between subject and the verbs, they are trying to look at singularity of subjects, singularity of verbs. Altogether, the plurality of subjects, plurality of verbs. Based on this agreement, they said singular to singular, plural to plural. That is the agreement. And we started with the types of Concord, which started with number 1, which states what again?